Pacific 5K. Hip 3 is Karina Gillespie, a runner-up at the Mountain West Mile for Air Force. Hip 4 is Adriana Olivas of Arizona State, a redshirt senior, best of 4.6. She was 4th year last year. Hip 5 is Aaron Rice, a junior at Texas, was 7th in the SEC mile, or part of the distance medley relay. Hip 6 is Amy Darlington, former Penn runner and now unattached, 4th in the Ivy League steeplechase while at Penn. Hip 7 is Tess Wilberding of Iowa. Hip 8, an All-American in cross-country, Carrie Kunk of Kentucky. She was 4th in the SEC 3K last year, Lindsay Joyce. Hip 9 for South Dakota. Hip 10 is Isabella Rose of Oklahoma. Hip 11 is Brittany Trentbar out of Desert Vista High School for Oklahoma. Hip 12 is Katie Willard of A&M. 13, Amber Eichhorn, a senior, who was runner-up in the Summit Mile. Hip 14 is Katie Watson of Texas A&M. 15th is Iona Sidderig of Anasazi Track Club. Hip 16 is Alexis Nichols of Arizona State, personal best of 4:52. Hip 17, Sarah Scott of Oklahoma has a best of 4:36.15, 6th in the Big 12 steeple last year. And hip 18 is Julia Noah of South Dakota.
It's your surprise. It's not surprise. Don't do it! It's 45 minutes late.
Jen Owen, the former all-conference runner for Arizona State. Chelsea Albertson. She was 5th in the Mountain Pacific 5K indoors this winter. It's in 2nd. And in 3rd place is Aaron Rice of Texas A&M. And then Amy Darlington, the former Penn runner, in about 5th place. So he went through in about 2:18, 2:19. And this is Darlington moving up in the on the odd side. This is Chelsea Albertson, the senior from Arizona State. Then Karina Gillespie of Air Force. And then Kentucky's Katie Kunk, the All-American in cross country, is in 3rd place. Final lap here as they come through at about 3:30, so they're running pretty even splits here. Arizona State's Gillespie and Air Force's Gillespie and Arizona State's Albertson. Chelsea Albertson of Arizona State. Albertson the winner at 4:20.